Welcome to the future of manufacturing. Here at the logistics floor, aluminum, glass, and semiconductor packages are carefully sorted before the smartphone journey begins. The high-resolution cameras verify the edges and openings, ensuring flawless surface geometry on every unit. In this hyper-realistic environment, precision robotics prepare the aluminum, which is then meticulously inspected before the final color application. In this hyper-realistic environment, precision robotics prepare the aluminum, which is then meticulously inspected before the final color application.
The polishing sequence looks stable. Confirmed. I'm seeing consistent coating thickness on the latest panel.
Advanced semiconductor components are integrated into the smartphone's main logic board assembly. Precision equipment evaluates the image response and connectivity of each module. Only after passing these automated and visual checks are they cleared for final integration. Alignment looks good on Module 12. Confirmed. We are ready for integration.
Engines. Automated systems rigorously test every speaker and taptic engine. Our specialized team verifies each component before
The assembly line is where the vision takes shape. Here, the logic board and thermal structure are precisely integrated into the cosmic orange chassis.
The completed device enters an automated bonding and sealing station where controlled equipment completes the structural assembly. Robotic In these automated test chambers, we evaluate cameras, microphones, and wireless functions. Devices rotate.
The Cosmic Orange iPhone 17 Pro Max undergoes rigorous optical inspection. Only after passing these advanced checks does it move on to the final approval stage.
The thermal performance is stable across all units. Good.
Let's push the batch through to packaging.
In this high-security logistics facility, finished pallets move with precision. Automated systems track from raw materials to the hands of the consumer. The iPhone 17 Pro Max represents the pinnacle of precision engineering.